Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the StockSheet Function Builder. As you can see here, I've already entered some data into my spreadsheet. I have the Amazon's quarterly income statements for 2015. Now, if I go up to cell A2 and I click on it, you'll see the function I manually typed in here. I've used the SS Financials function, and for the symbol parameter, I'm selecting cell A1, which contains the Amazon ticker symbol. For the statement type, I've selected IS for income statement. For years, I've entered 2015 and I've set the quarterly parameter to true. Now this returns the quarterly data as you can see in my spreadsheet. So if this function looks a little bit daunting to you or you prefer a simpler way to build these functions, we have the Function Builder. It's a simple and intuitive user interface to help you get the data that you want. So to access the Function Builder, simply navigate to Extensions, then StockSheet and Open. And this is going to open a sidebar on the right-hand side here, where we are going to click on the Function Builder tab. So here in the Function Builder tab, you can see various fields. Fields dynamically update depending on the function that you've selected. So fields that you see here now are fields specific to the financial statements function. If I click on the function selector, a drop-down appears with the other 18 custom functions that we have available in the StockSheet add-on. We'll leave this set to financial statements for now, and then we'll move down to the symbol field, where you can enter the ticker symbol directly if you know it. You can also search by company name. So if I type Amazon and click the search button, it will show me various securities that match my search query. Alternatively, you can reference a cell in your sheet that contains the ticker symbol, like cell A1, or you can also select the cell in your sheet and then click the Select Cell Range button to populate this field. So that looks pretty good, that should work. Next, we'll move to the statement type field. Clicking on this reveals a drop-down with different statement types, and we're going to select income statement. For the output cell reference, this is where you want the data to be placed in your sheet. You can enter the cell reference directly or select the cell in your sheet and use the Select Cell Range button again. Now, this is enough to get the data imported into your sheet, but we want to specify a year and set it to get quarterly data. So to do this, we're going to click on the Advanced drop-down and reveal the other optional parameters. Now, these are not required, but they allow for more granular data, and they allow you in certain cases to filter the data depending on your use case. So we can see here there's the years field, and we'll type in 2015. Again, you can select a range of cells that reference a year or a year range, but we're just going to enter 2015 directly. And then we'll go on to the quarterly option, and we're going to select the little checkbox there. Now, there's also fields for selecting line items or for removing the headers. We're just going to leave those today. And finally, we will hit submit. Now, let's see, the data should now return, and it should match what we have manually entered in our previous function, and it does. So that's how we use the Function Builder. As you can see, it's fairly straightforward, so get in there and give it a go. And as always, thanks for watching and happy investing.